In this video, I will show you how to clean up and organize a messy Monday.com account. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Open up one of your workspaces. Under Item, you want to name every project. So give every project a name so it is clearly readable and accessible by others. You then want to place an owner over that project so we know who is in charge of completing and fulfilling that project. You want to give it a description so that it is easy to understand what that project is about. You also want to label the priority of this project. Is it medium, high, or low? You want to add or give this project a duration so it is not overdue. You also want to give your project a status. Is it complete? Is it being worked on, or has it not been started yet? You can also add a timeline column, planned effort, and other columns to help you. If you work with files, you want to add a file so files can be added. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.